Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Neotone eyes and securing a proper fit. Hold the power button for 2 seconds until the LED stays blue. Next, pair with your phone, open Bluetooth, pick Neotone eyes, and enter 0000 if asked, so data syncs. Adjust nose pads and temple arms so the lenses sit centered over your pupils. This reduces motion and improves tracking. Once paired and fitted, run the quick calibration prompt. Make sure alignment targets are clearly visible before moving to the core steps. You now perform the core setup. Run the calibration routine by following on-screen targets for about 30 to 60 seconds per eye so tracking maps correctly. Then enable core features: HDR for contrast, depth sensing for spatial awareness, and motion smoothing for steady visuals, because they change how the system interprets scenes. Practice gestures. Tap to select, swipe to scroll, hold for contextual menus, and customize sensitivity in settings so gestures respond naturally. Once comfortable, test with a short app to confirm You finish by saving your user profile, enabling auto updates, and charging the unit to 100% before extended sessions to prevent mid-use shutdowns. For daily care, gently wipe lenses, check firmware weekly, and keep the device in its protective case to avoid dust and knocks. If you see tracking drift or input lag, reset the device and rerun calibration. This fixes most alignment and sensor issues. If problems persist, note the exact behavior and contact support with device logs so they can diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.